the Kubera of simplicity and superstardom, Rashmika. And the Kubera of versatility, Dhanush. Dana, make some noise.
You liked her? We'll speak in full Butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और वहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, and this seems very different, and this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसके वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசணும்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have
You
among
can
here.
go part, it's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay va? So what was your question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her.
So without giving away too much,
जी.
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है character wise?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it. क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor. So इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is the special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think Dhanush sir के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. है ना sir? Yeah sir.
Because we have limited time with sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on
yes, of
stage. As we know, we don't have, by the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we
Also,
have from Aditya
if I
Music,
just
Aditya
may-
with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? 2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Ghana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100% with those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pakka, you have to.
may I-
Now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music beautiful by DSP. Music बहुत बढ़िया है, guys. Make some noise. That makes the movie, yeah? We have the producer, Sunil Larang ji की तरफ से Janvi. Please come up on stage. Puskar Ram Mohan Rao ji. Co-producers, Mugafi se Manish Vashisht. And the founder and co-producer, Vipul Agarwal ji. Please join us on stage. Somebody who is the Kuber of eloquence. Probably one of the most well-spoken gentlemen who can probably be the spokesperson for this country. Dalit Tahil ji, please come up on stage. He had no clue I was talking about him, I think. And agar Swerve की बात करें, तो इन पे जब पहली नजर पड़ी, we all knew we had a Kuber of talent. Jim Sarab, ladies and gentlemen, Jim, looking stunning. In his dhoti. I think इस stage में ना जगह नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा नीचे आ जाती हूँ. All right? And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Kubera of charm, the Kubera of simplicity. Somebody said very well, the Arjuna of cinema itself. Nagarjuna sir, please. And may I add, you're looking so handsome. Woo! Some more noise. That's legacy on stage. इनको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है? आई थिंक मेरा सौभाग्य है क्योंकि धनुष सर का बर्थडे मेरी माँ के साथ आता है और मुझे इनमें सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है क्योंकि अगर सिंप्लिसिटी, वर्सेटैलिटी और स्टारडम तीनों एक इंसान में है तो वो आप में है. सर प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज. धनुष सर. डार्लिंग फैंस, थोड़ी सी शांति. ये जब हम लोग इतने बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. May I please request the mic to be given to Dhanush sir since he's actually taken a break and come here. Sir, आपसे क्या पूछूं? Yes, please. I'd encourage you to speak to them. They are here for you. I'll ask the question on their behalf.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good afternoon everybody. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றேனே தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி. வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage
guards.
trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके character के बारे में a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, कुछ भी.
I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of
Yeah,
them.
me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours. And Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like, I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable, like you do only what's convenient, you know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that.
Biggest gift. Let's clap to that journey. 2 decades. Dhanush, 2 decades in the industry, और आप कभी typecast नहीं हुए हो, and that in itself is a very big achievement. So here's my last question. How do you not manage to be this typecasted person? और ये बहरूपिया और ये वो जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है? आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You have changed your character so smoothly. We never get to know. How do you do it?
See, I'm just like a processor, you know, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work, they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. all credits to the filmmakers I've worked with.
Thank you. That's humility for you, Dhanush. आप राजा हैं दिलों के. आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go, I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us. Come on, everyone. Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க, கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you all. Love you.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Thank you. As he says, oh, can we have a picture with the team? Yes, Dhanush sir. One quick picture with the cast. Quick picture with the cast. Everybody, yeah? Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast. And we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush sir. I think Dhanush sir आज हमारे लिए फास्ट करके आए हैं. लंच ब्रेक के टाइम पे यहाँ पे he's joined us. We're very, very fortunate. Woo!
My sincere apologies to the press and media. I have to run. I've come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
Goodness, goodness, goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart. I want